What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs coming at you with an update video today. So 4 months ago I installed the range AFM disabler on my 2021 Camaro SS here, and a common question that I got a lot on my Instagram DMs is, can you do an update video as far as the gas mileage? How does the range AFM disabler affect the gas mileage of the car? So that's what we're going to be doing an update video on today. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you find this helpful, please consider going down below and absolutely smashing that like and subscribe button, and feel free to comment down below anything you want. So let's jump in. So if this is your first time to the channel, you see the thumbnail and the card popping up there on the screen. That is the full install video. Go check it out if you haven't already. It's very informative of what the range technology AFM disabler does and what AFM technology is in general. So feel free to go check that out. So about halfway in that video, you'll see on my dash footage there that the car before the install was going about 22.1 miles per gallon. Now, this is my daily, and I do stomp in on times, and I do drive it not as hard at times. So it's kind of a good mix. And I was averaging 22.1 miles per gallon. So in 4 months, I've put quite a few miles on this car, and I've done another install that kind of affected the gas mileage as well. But I did grab those numbers before I did the other install. So let's go ahead and jump into the car real quick. So we're about to get a good warm start here as I washed the car this morning, and I don't want to leave it running too long because it is bright and early Saturday morning. I don't want to wake the neighbors. Hoa community. All right, so let's turn to our dash here. Let it come up. All right, so we're going to scroll down. There you go, that's the last 50 miles, but I can say that has stayed pretty consistent. So don't judge that based, oh, it's been the last 50 miles. No, that's been very consistent with that number there. The best miles per gallon listed there is at 32.2, and then the average is 18.4, and that is in the last 50 miles, but like I mentioned before, that is consistent with the mileage over the span of 4 months. So, shut the car off real quick. Don't want to make anybody mad. So 18.4 miles per gallon in the 2021 Camaro SS. This is the 6.2 liter V8. Now keep in mind the gas mileage may vary as far as the differences with the range in the V6. So just take it as you want. So that gas mileage, like I mentioned before, has been affected by something else I installed as well. So a few months ago, I installed the EVCX throttle controller here. So actually before the install, I grabbed my MPG numbers, and this has only affected the MPG by 1 mile per gallon, right at 1 mile per gallon. So with just the range technology AFM disabler here, the car was averaging about 19.4 miles per gallon. So before the install, it was 22.1. So you're looking at a difference of like 2.7 miles per gallon I lost just from putting this on the car. Now, some of you guys may feel like 2.7 miles per gallon, it's a 19-gallon tank, right at, may never truly hold that. Man, that's a lot. But guys, honestly, when you can keep your car in V8 mode all the time, miles per gallon is definitely worth it. And especially if you don't drive your car all the time, it's definitely worth it because, you know, why does the MPG matter if you don't drive it all the time? Like I mentioned before, this is my daily, so it does affect me, but honestly, I don't care. It keeps it in V8 mode. Wow, it's backwards. Keeps it in V8 mode all the time, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Because if you are new to the channel, like I mentioned before, I had a lot of problems with my AFM valves as far as squeaking, causing back pressure issues. So just a horrible system that I do not like. So 4 months later, would I still recommend the range AFM disabler? Absolutely. So if you're having AFM valves issues, or you just want to simply keep your car in V8, I highly recommend grabbing the range AFM disabler device. So They typically go for over 200, but I was able to snag this one for 50 from a guy that sold his car. Didn't want it anymore, so I got very lucky on this one. If you can't afford to go out and pick up one of these at the moment, feel free to go check out the DIY fix video I placed on the channel as well, as that has helped me in the past and helped a few others, so feel free to go check that out. So like always, I want to thank you guys for clicking and watching. Feel free to go check out the website www.jcscustomshop.com. check out some cool product as well as this brand new hat here. I call it like the university blue. It is very awesome. It's a limited time. Kind of looks like an ice blue as well. So that is embroidered on there, so go check it out. It's gonna be hard to put back on one hand, so go check it out, guys. Go pick you up one and help support the channel. So until next time, appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.